What's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing one skill for 1 hour straight. Let's go. The skill I'm going to be doing is going to be the dragon step over. After doing 5 reps with my strong foot, now I'm going to be doing 5 reps with my weak foot. I find it a bit challenging because I decided to go and look at the video again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.